weeks, we're gonna get this worked out. This is part of the experimental life thing. This is part of the show. This is part of the show.
I can't believe we just moved them. I can't believe we just moved them.
We can do this, guys. Let me just, as you're gathering your way back to see, let me just say what's going to happen for the first half of the show. We're playing about a few Louden Swain songs, and then we're going to, thank you, and then we're going to invite some celebrities out to sing with us. We know famous people.
Did anyone lose their glasses?
Okay, but here's the deal. You have to be in your seat, but there's nothing that says you have to be on your ass. So I want to put this in you standing out and enjoying this show. Ladies and gentlemen, Louden Swain.
From Louden Swain. We're doing Kimmy, Sebastian and Misha Collins.
There's nothing quite like playing a beautiful song and having three of your closest friends come ruin it for you. You're welcome.
I have to say, Rob, your nipples are remarkably hard.
Let me tell you, I know it's a problem. They get chapped a lot.
I'm amazed that you don't have holes in your T-shirt right there, because they were.
Well, let's talk about it. Maybe you could give me that for Christmas.
Did you just ask Misha to give you salve for Christmas?
Oh, that was fun, Bill. That was really good. I almost kissed Misha Collins. Unrelated?
Why did you pop? It started last minute.
I got nervous. I really got nervous.
I'm a roadie. Sunday I'm a roadie.
You're not a roadie, you're a groupie. I'm gonna go home and try to go to sleep. I love you all. I'll miss you. I'm gonna have really kind of creepy dreams about you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Louden Swain!
Misha Collins! Thank you very much, guys.
Trying to make us look bad. Just so you know, Gil, I know you're new around here.
Yeah, no, I thought this was a serious event.
That's not how we sing around here.
No bad, guys.
Okay, so now everything's kind of awkward because you made us all look bad. So
You know what? I'm going to try. We're going to try to make us ourselves look worse.
Yeah, Richard and I would like to sing a song together.
Louden Swain.
With Misha.
But, first and foremost, I want to thank Misha for leaving me alone in a minute. I went to clutch. Now, I'm playing 3 more songs. Hey, we're going to it.
This is how I got a stroke. This is how I got a think. This is how I think. If you can carry that and then link back to Ty. Give it a little
Louden Swain's going to play some really
well, should we can try to play one more song, or should we play something everybody can sing?
You know what? Play Marvin's Jam. It's his favorite song.
I'm going to play Louden Jam. It's a song of ours, and please, shake it. Give everybody a shaker or a tambourine or
And
something.
by the way, I want to say right now, people,
we're going to mention that here. Make the water outside. No one here. Wave them from the window. Please yes, Louden Swain, Mike Bohan, and Stephen Norton, Louden Swain. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Sebastian. Thank you, Isaac. Thank you, Misha Collins. Most importantly, thank you, Dick Spade, the glue of the group. The glue of the group. Thank you. Thank you, Louden Swain. Good night. And folks, we're going to be beginning